Racing just is started. We are leggy break quickly to start. Moving up on the outside moment in time. Then next online is Louis Star. Pencil away. Marcus Wolf is Stormy Norman. Then next online now is Sugar Mike. Charge forward. Mascubado comes next. My Paho is special. While Magisterium is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn. We have Arleggy by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second. On the outside is Pencil away. Moment in time is down on the inside. Marcus Wolf, Louis Star comes next. Sugar Mike, then comes is Stormy Norman. Next on line is Mascobado Magisterium. Charge forward while My Paho is special. Now racing less. At the fourth turn we have Arleggy by about 4 lengths. And in second comes Marcus Wolf. Pencil away, sorry, outside Louis Star. A moment in time comes next. Sugar Mike. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Arleggy. This time by about 6 lengths. And in second comes Marcus Wolf. And on the outside, Pencil away, Louis Star. Last 75 meters. The program opener belongs to Arleggy. The second is Magisterium. Then comes the Louis Star, Sugar Mike.